What's up, everybody? J2O, keep it real. Back for a weekly forage forecast for the week of the 27th to the 3rd. Well, actually, to the 2nd. So, first thing we do, we check out foragefactory.com to see what's going on for the week. As you can see, Sunday, the 27th, nothing too crazy. Monday, it's a bank holiday for the JPY pairs, so it's going to be slow. There's high impact for the CAD because of the federal election. And Tuesday, a lot of news. Mixture of low to medium to high impact. But mostly it's going to be high impact on like New York session for USD as well as the Asian session for the AUD pairs. Then Wednesday, look some heavy news mainly the New York session. A lot of news affecting the USD and the CAD pair. Then we get into Thursday. It's going to be kind of slow with some of these bank holidays affecting the euro. It's a little more high impact the New York session for USD and the CAD. And then Friday, at the end of the week, you have NFP, so you have like unemployment rate change, not farm employment change, affecting USD pairs. So just be mindful for Friday. So that's what's going on this week, the NFP week. So definitely trade cautiously going into Friday. So let's look at the pairs right now. Let's look at Euro New Zealand. This is daily chart. Based on the structure, I do see us potentially coming up for the uptrend. So I'm gonna be focusing on swing trades for buy opportunities for this week. This is my trade setup. If it comes back down here, cool. If not, it is what it is because we understand structure that we could literally come down, test, and then shoot up, or play around here and shoot up. Either way, focusing on buyer opportunities. Let's look at different pair. Let's look at the Euro AUD. Euro AUD, same setup, focusing on buy opportunities. They've been consolidating, so this week it should be a breakout. I do anticipate we can either come down here and then shoot up or play around the zone and then shoot up. Either way, again, focusing on buy opportunities. And now let's look at gold. Gold is in an interesting area. If we go to the 4 hour, I do see us having a slight push up, mainly because how the candles ended. I do see us at least testing this wick area. Or if we come up to here, that'd be great. But it might take a few days before we hit up here. But as NFP can happen towards later on towards the end of the week. So just be mindful trading gold and follow the structure. And let's look at Bitcoin real quick. So Bitcoin is kind of exhausted. I'm being mindful around this zone area for sell opportunities. If we create engulfing, I'm gonna start looking for like sell opportunities based on the candle structure. So if we come here and test the zone area and create a candlestick pattern reversal, I'm gonna take the sells down. But we break through, then we know we're going up to the upside. But it's NFP week, so it could happen towards the end of the week for the big drop. And for GPAUD, same thing. We're in a strong zone based off the Fibonacci retracement. So I do see us coming back up, but it could take some days because all this took a couple days to make. So we literally could take a couple days to come back up. But ultimately, it's a swing trade move. Same thing for Euro New Zealand, swing trade move. Could take a few days before we go up, but I do see us coming up based on the daily chart. We've been consolidating lately, and it's NFP week, so we should break through. So that's pretty much the trade setup I see this week. Potential swing moves based off the structure. And remember, risk management, trade what you see, not what you think. And you should be all right. If you have questions, let me know. You already know we out here. Peace.